Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss about the break and the continue statements. This is in continuation with the while loop that we discussed in our last class. Here today we will discuss break and continue in association with while and if else statement. Depending on the scenario, these both statements continue and break can be used. Today in our example, we will see it in association with while. So on the screen, you can see the first code here is while loop, where it says that while true, user input type stop to exit the loop. So in this case, again, the user is prompted to enter an input, and it says in order to exit the loop, the user should write stop in capital, right? And here is the while loop. So we say that while true, while the condition is true, execute all the statements inside the loop. When the condition is false, while false, it will exit the loop. So here by default, we are saying that the condition remains true all the time. And that is why we've written while true. While true, user will be prompted to input. Then it will check, program will check whether the input is stop or not. If it is stop in capital letter, the loop will stop. It will break the loop and exit the loop. And if the user doesn't enter stop, then it will print the user input, whatever it is, and then move to second iteration. So then the loop continues to remain in the loop, right? Let me show you. Let me run this. So here I have to enter an input. Let me enter Mohit. See, type. This is what I entered. Now I enter class. I enter Python. See, it continues to remain in loop, whatever I type, unless even if I type exit, so it's okay. Start program. But the moment I type stop, the loop stops. Okay. So this is what break does here. So the moment this statement, this condition is satisfied, it will print and it will break the loop. Okay. So this is how break works. Now we will see another example with the continue statement. So here also again, we have while loop, while true, user input type stop to exit the loop. If user input is stop, then break. Exactly like the previous example. And if user input is exit, print type stop, not exit, to stop the loop. So just to clarify the confusion between stop and exit. Else, if none of these statements are true, none of these if statements are true, then it will print the user input. Now here what we'll see the impact of continue statement also along with the break. Let me run this for you. Let me type Mohit Python class program. But now what I'll do, I will type exit. But exit is not the right statement to stop the loop. This is on the protocol that we have set here. So let me type exit. Let's see what it does. See, now the moment I type exit, it will satisfy this statement. It prints print stop and not exit to stop the loop, and then continue. The loop is still ongoing. We are still in the loop. It is asking the user to input. So continue bypasses whatever is written after the continue statement here, right? So here print you type user input, that is not printed. If you see here, Let me type it again. See, so whatever is written beneath the continuous statement is bypassed and it goes back to the second iteration or the nth iteration of the loop. Now, again, let's say, so again, it's the same story, but the moment I type stop, it will break. Okay. So this is how continue and break statement works. Thank you for joining. See you in next class. Bye bye.